Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to open a vest from Ultimo Concepts. What we have in this box is supposed to be soft armor. So I talk about training in weight vests. If you're doing body weight training, you should do club training, kettlebell training, and get-up training. Your body weight training should be primarily focused on get-ups because it's useful. When I train body weight stuff, I like to train in some type of armor. CrossFit guys train in armor. If you've ever done Murph on Memorial Day, then you put on a 20-pound weight vest. Guys tend to use tactical plate carriers and then add weighted plates to them. I have the same thing, just instead of using Rogue weight plates, I just use AR 500 weight plates, which are rifle rated plates. They cost actually less than the Rogue plates, so why not just use real armor if you can get it and if it's legal where you live. So this is vest one, and these are supposed to be stab and pistol rated. Inside, standard USA, NIJ, level 2, 3A, front, back, and side protection. If I remember correctly, that means stab resistant and pistol rated resistant. What size is this? Oh, extra large. I wear an extra large t-shirt, probably an extra large. And we have another one in here. Same thing. Is this a different size? This one is a large. I don't know which one will fit me, but we will find out. That is a pattern. I'm not sure why it's in there, but I'll take it. And there's a third one in here. Awesome. And this one, the third one, is a medium. We have an extra large, a large, and a medium, and we will figure out which one fits. When you're training body weight, you should follow the same protocols that you do with kettlebells and clubs and everything. You should have a light day, a medium day, and a heavy day. Heavy day can be plates plus stuff on the vest, actually having stuff on the vest to mimic the weight of things on the vest. Medium day could be just plates, and light day can now be soft armor. This armor is relatively light. I think it weighs 5 pounds. It's not a lot, but moving in armor is different than moving without armor. Each type of armor that you wear alters the way that your body moves a little bit. Training in armor like this is something that I used to do with actors when I worked in Hollywood, because when they get on set, if they're a stunt guy, they have to know how to fall down and get up in the actual stuff that they would need to wear as a costume. An easy way to do that, an actual cheaper way to do that, is to just actually buy the real thing, because costumes isn't going to let you run away with the costumes. So just having some stuff allows you to train a bunch of different people of different sizes and learn to do things like fall down in armor and get up. Falling is harder than getting up. Think about same side shoulder rolls from judo series, and you would need to work on that stuff. If you do BJJ, you'll probably know a lot of that stuff, but judo guys and aikido guys have usually the best version of falling down in their training. I think this is the large. See if I can get this on. There we go. So that's a large on me. Not too bad. Main thing that I'm always looking for is that the armor actually sits at the right spot, which is right at the sternal notch. This one feels like you'll actually be able to move in it. We'll have to train in it and actually find out. But this is the large. These things are, of course, a little higher cut. They're actually cut just like rifle plates are that you would use in CrossFit to cover what you might call the A zone, the most important part. This is part of the most important part. All of the really important stuff is in there. And they're supposed to be stab resistant as well. Let's try on the extra large. I can tell this one's going to be a little bit better on me. Overlap on the sides. So that's the extra large on me, sitting right about the right height. You've got enough space up here. Quick function, we're just gonna see. Oh yeah. Something you're always checking when you're training in armor, no matter what type, is when you swing clubs or kettlebells, are you ripping your arm on the Velcro on the interior side here? Every time you put on something like this, it changes the way your spine and your shoulder moves. So anytime you get armor, you need to do all the training with it. Quick little kettlebell check. Hard style or soft style? Let's go soft. It's actually really comfortable. I'm not ripping on anything there when I do basic things. We'll put it into some get-up training and see how it goes. If you can get real armor, just train in real armor. If you live someplace where you can't get real armor, I don't know, I guess then buy the rogue plates. But why get fake stuff if you can get real stuff? If you can get real stuff, just get real stuff. Overall, stitches seem good. It is a single stitch here. I don't know if soft armor normally has multi-stitches in the corner. I've never seen it with multi-stitches. Something has to do with how it lays flat. But the Velcro seems like it's the good quality stuff. It doesn't seem like it's the shit quality stuff that'll fall apart right away. Velcro is huge when it comes to this stuff. If the Velcro starts to pile and degrade really fast, the whole thing becomes useless very fast. But when you test it, you get sweaty in it, you leave it out, it dries. You do that about 30 times, you'll start to figure out the quality of the armor pretty quickly. Thanks to Ultimo Concepts for sending this out. We'll try it out, we'll see how it goes.